This is BizTalk Discovery and I'm Carl Wolfenden. Writing is not just an art, it's a business necessity, and getting it right is essential.
I think the most important thing that we offer is that we really represent a voice for small business, also for investors, but we have a way of getting to the meat of what somebody is trying to convey and putting it together in a way that really represents them. It's not me giving them something that sounds like I wrote it for myself. It really is in their own voice. And that's especially important when you're dealing with small businesses because they are the company and they're the face of the company. So whatever is being put out there for advertising or ad copy or promotional materials really needs to represent them. And the other thing that I think is really important is actually educating the client as to why different things are important. It's easy to say, well, Twitter is, you can say something in 140 characters. Well, you can certainly say something in 140 characters, but it may not be what you want your business to be promoting.
Join Carl in business class every week. Talking sales, marketing, travel, recruitment, and more. Every week we cover business topics that are trending and answer your questions. Email your questions at questions@businessclassnews.com. Visit our website at www.businessclassnews.com.
Every week, we showcase businesses around the world. We call this our Social Showtime on Business Class News. We are on all the major platforms: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, and more. We tailor our distribution to an audience that is relevant to your business, getting you in front of your customers. You become your own co-host on a branded segment on our shows. So what does that mean for your business? Social media is a powerful tool if used in the right way. Consistency and repetition is the key to success. When you become a regular contributor on Business Class News, your prospects and customers will get to know you, and more importantly, trust you. Having Business Class News feature you gives you credibility and is great content to share on your social media. We call this transference of trust, and it gives the audience the confidence that you are an expert in your own industry or product sector. Our branded segments drive leads and inquiries that you can turn into sales. To book a guest interview on our shows, go to businessclassnews.com and let us feature you and your business to help you grow.